I need to pump up. I need to wake up. Oh, I just hit my tooth. Morning, guys. Happy Saturday. That's Harvey. If you can hear him, I don't know. Anyway, God, I'm so glad it's the weekend. This week, because it feels like it's been absolutely non-stop. I'm so tired. I feel like I needed the weekend just to kind of regroup and just chill. But that kind of isn't going to plan because it's quite busy. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so today is a little bit busy. I have an Italian lesson actually at 10:15. It is now 8:30. After that, I need to get ready. I ideally want to pop into town and do some shopping and get some bits for tomorrow for Mother's Day. And then after that, we're going out for a late, actually it's not even a late, lunch. Just going out for lunch. So yeah. Just so tired. Oh, where's the bow? There we go. I just feel so relaxed already. Sometimes I forget if I've brushed my teeth or not. Like, I know that I've brushed my teeth. I know that. I know I have. Some things like, oh, have you? Have you? I 100% have. I just always forget. What was I gonna do? Wash my face. My brain is like a sieve. I use this, so I do like a double cleanse, I think, I don't know. I use this first, which is from the Body Shop Tea Tree, and I love it. Warm water. These pyjamas, it's gonna really, all the water is gonna run down my sleeves. Go for a nice lunch with our old next door neighbours. Just the local pub. It's weird because we used to see each other literally every day. It's so sad. Like, we got on so well because they had 2 boys and I was me and my sister. That's the one thing I do miss. After that, I'll then give it a little shake. I don't know. I'll use this one from CeraVe. I've got a spot on my face at the minute. I don't normally get spots, but as soon as I eat eggs, for some reason, I get spots. I don't know what it is. I think it's to do with the hormones or something. I don't know if anyone else gets that. Spots with eggs. My face feels so smooth now. It's just a spot. Oh my god. I'm really airing it all out, aren't I? I keep on thinking I'm hearing like siren, like weird siren noises. Oh, I think it might be just my dad watching the F1. Is there the F1 on today? I don't even know. My skincare routine, chops and changes every other day, to be honest. It smells so amazing. Oh my god, it's so cold. So after that, I got recently this moisturizer, which is Wishful Honey Whip, and it smells really good too. Got the cold. Actually, do you know what? I don't even think it has a smell. But yeah, maybe a bit more, I think. It's quite thick. I also have some testers that I'm trying from Kiehl's as well. So I've got 2 testers of 2 different creams that I've been trialing, and then if I like it, I'm gonna get it. But I didn't want to spend the money without knowing what it was like. So I'll put some of this on. This is a really nice one. This is the Ultra Facial Cream, Daily Lightweight Hydrating Formula for Healthy Looking Skin. So yeah, what is the time? Should I do my makeup? This is the Born This Way foundation. So I'll put a little bit of that, but then I'll put a little bit of moisturiser in just to loosen it up a little bit, just because I find it a little bit thick. What is that on my face? Fluff. I feel like I've had enough of the cold weather. Now I'm ready for spring and summer. Oh my god, I feel like I can feel a hair on my face. And actually, this is not my colour because I think I bought this in the summer when I was a lot more tanned. So the other day I went to an Italian do, like dinner and dance thing, I don't know what you'd call it. I haven't been to one since I was really, really young, and it was nice to see some people. And meet some like new people too. I danced with my mum a little bit and her friends and things, and I just love those like old like Italian songs. I say old like from the 80s, but oh, they're such good songs. Getting ready is the most tedious thing in the world. I honestly, if I could like, I'll say snap my fingers, if I could click my fingers and be ready, oh my god. It's like got a bump to it as well, which is not fun. I think my sister's taken my powder. I think she's taken my powder. It's not here. I think she's taken it. If she's taken it to her friend's house, I'm gonna be fuming. I need my powder. Right, I'm gonna check. So, I think this is mine. I think she's taken my brush as well. That bitch. I'm still waiting for my Italian teacher to tell me what time the lesson today starts, because I have no idea. Just been trying to do some research for YouTube videos and what videos to do, what videos are kind of trending, what do people want to see. So if you have any ideas of what you want to see from me, let me know. I like doing these sorts of videos for memories. I just enjoy it. So if there is anything that people actually want to see specifically, well, let me know. My last upload's a year, and then on my other channel with my friend, we haven't uploaded for like 2 years. To be honest, we started that channel during lockdown, and it was really fun. And to have that kind of time to do that together. Both of us weren't working at the time, and this was after obviously the regulations like changed, so you could see people outside, so we used to do it outside. Honestly, it was such a fun time. Sometimes I look back at those videos and I just think, you know, we've made some really fun little memories together, and we can watch them and laugh. I remember we used to record, we used to film, oh, my Italian teacher, we used to film every Thursday evening at 8 o'clock. It was just so fun. Ah, okay. It is now my Italian lesson. There we go. It sounded like she was calling me, so I was a bit confused. Ciao, Paola.
Ciao, Raffaella.
So this is what I'm wearing. Obviously not the slippers. These jeans I love. They're from Bershka. They are the best jeans, I swear to God. Highly recommend. They just look so good. Bringing my little brown bag. I'm wearing a Huda Beauty lip liner and then some lipstick from YSL. But oh my God, it's so nice. It's the Deep Rose Huda Beauty. And then the other day I mixed it with the Heat lip gloss from Rihanna, Fenty Beauty. Right, so I have put it on with the Heat instead. And it's a little bit more berry-like. It looks maybe the same on camera, but it's actually a little bit darker. That is the outfit. And I will see you in a bit. Might have a few drinks, not sure. I'm a bit annoyed, to be honest. I ordered a Mother's Day present for my mum, a perfume. They say it's arrived, they say it's been delivered. It hasn't been delivered. So now I'm a little bit stressed. So I've come back from town, so we just all had breakfast together. Got her an apple turnover, she loves an apple turnover. Had an almond croissant from M&S, oh my God, insane. Highly recommend. Anyway, I've found a website which kind of edits photos into a locket kind of size and shape. And now I've got a box and I'm just putting some tissue paper in the box for the locket ready, and then I'm going to bring this to the restaurant. The flowers have arrived, which is good. She liked the flowers. Got her some Lindor chocolates as well, and then we just went through some old photos, which is quite nice. This is what I'm wearing, something quite... I always wear these jeans. If anyone ever says anything in the comments about me constantly wearing these jeans, I need to get new jeans. I need another pair. So I'm thinking I'll just fold this over, fold that, and just fold it over a little bit like this to cover these edges. This is the locket my dad got my mum, so I'm just going to put that there for now. Can I see it? Ready? Gonna try and open it with one hand.
Oh no, please, can I watch this?
Oh, look at that. So cute. Are you happy?
Very, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's very special, thank you. Waited 25 years for your dad to do it, so thank you.
And now Prosecco.
Give a drink to that.
Happy Mother's Day to you too. I mean, if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't be a mother.
I wouldn't be a mother, I wouldn't have a happy Mother's Day. I wouldn't have the Prosecco, the flowers, the locket.
The locket.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Mother's Day.